Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosa, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. We thank God for life, for strength, and good health as we've stepped into 2024. I pray that this year yields so much blessing in your life wherever you are. And finally, Happy New Year, guys! Welcome back to the channel once again. In today's video, we are going to make a very simple recipe. This is a very simple method that can help your banku get cooked within 30 to 45 minutes, and it involves only one ingredient, which is cassava. Today's video is based on the processing of cassava into cassava dough. Let's get started. And this is the setup we'll be working with. With the aid of a knife, peel the cassava and place it in the other bowl. Add in some water and wash it. Do so until all the cassava is peeled and wash it as well. As you peel the cassava, use the knife to clean off any film of dirt that might be around it. Rinse off the bowl that contains the cassava and then place in the grater. Pick one of the cassava sticks and then grate it. After everything is grated, clean the grater of the cassava flakes and then set it aside. When all the cassava is properly grated, this is what you will end up with. And this is our cassava dough. This is your secret ingredient to help your banku cook as fast as possible. The high starch content in it helps the banku cook as fast as you want it to. You can store this in a clear wrapper for about 2 weeks in your freezer. Or right after grating, you can use it in preparing your banku. With that being said, we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Guys, subscribing to the channel is a way to promote my content to so many people, and this will also help us get equipment that we need to promote this business as well. So I'll be very grateful if you could subscribe right now if you are new here. Kindly join the Beloved Caters family, and I promise you, you wouldn't regret it. Until we meet again, everyone, bye bye.